Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add a credit or debit card to Apple Pay. So I got a couple of methods you can do that on your Apple devices. The first of course is doing so on iPhone. So what you want to do is to find the wallet app on your iPhone and open it up, and then tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then just select add credit or debit card from the menu, and then of course just use your iPhone camera to take a photo of your credit or debit card, and then you can enter your card details. So just enter the card's expiration date, security code, and other required information, and then you want to agree to the terms, read the terms and agree to Apple Pay's terms and conditions. And then of course you can just verify your card. So your bank or your card issuer may require you to verify your card through their app or website. So once you're done with the verification, yeah, that's pretty much it. So second method is if you're adding a card on your Apple Watch. So what you want to do is to on your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app and then tap on My Watch in the tab, and then scroll and tap the Wallets and Apple Pay. So you got to find the wallet and Apple Pay section and just tap that, and then you can tap add credit or debit card to choose the credit or debit card that you want to use from the menu, and then you can follow these exact same steps as I gave above to complete the process. Now when adding a card on the iPad, first thing you want to do is to find the settings app on your iPad and open that up, and then you want to scroll down and tap wallets and Apple Pay, and just tap that. And once you're done, you move on to add credit or debit card. So just choose add credit or debit card from the menu, and of course just follow the same steps I given above to complete that process. Now when adding a card on Mac, it's similar steps. First you got to do is to find the wallet app on your Mac and open that up, and then tap the plus icon. So you want to tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then just select add credit or debit card to choose credit or debit card from the menu, and then you can just follow the exact same process to complete the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.